Responsive templates are used to save the tons of your time and manual work of responding the same customer inquiries many times, such as pricing, product description, address, and etc. To create the new templates, first, go to the settings by clicking the settings button on the top right corner and tap the responsive template, which locates behind the integration settings. Once you enter the new screen, the list on the bottom is where you can see the responsive templates you have created previously. There are samples for you to see how it would look. And you can edit or delete it by clicking the pencil or cross buttons behind each templates you like to edit or delete. To create new templates, you have to press the green button says New Responsive Templates, and first choose the brand it belongs to, the name of the templates, and contents using all these formatting options, which includes picture, emoji, and table, which displays on the top. Then eventually press Save button. Here you have your responsive templates created. And you can search or filter by brand using these fields on the top. Let's go and check it now how it works. Go to the team inbox and respond to this person using your responsive templates just created. Oh, if you just created recently, you'll have to press the refresh button to get the update done. Let's try again. Just start typing your responsive template and here you have replied to them without typing all this content. Good luck!